Welcome to PC Mac. In today's video, we are talking about Windows Update. And why we are talking about the latest Windows Update? Because it's freezing the operating systems like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and even Windows Server as well. So today we will talk about how we can resolve this small problem. Before starting this video, I would like you to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like my content. So let's do it. First of all, let me just go ahead and show you if I got the latest update or not. For that, I need to go into the appwiz.cpl, and from here we need to click on view installed updates from the top left corner. And once I click on it, as you can see, I just got the latest update, Windows installed new updates. And let's just click here to check it out, and it says security monthly quality roll up for Windows 7, and this is the update that I got. So similar to that, you will also got an update on your computer that might froze your computer, as Microsoft also confirmed that this new update is freezing the Windows computer. So how you can resolve it? What you need to do is you need to boot your computer into the safe mode to remove this update from your computer. How you can do that? Either you can use your old method. In Windows 7, you can just press the F8 key when you start the computer. You need to tap that F8 key, or I'll do it from the computer. You need to go into msconfig, and from here it will open the system configuration utility. From here you need to go into boot, and then you just need to click on save boot to start the computer. If you want the internet in that mode, you just need to select network, but I recommend you to please don't use internet in that mode. So just go back and press OK. Once you press OK, it will ask you to restart the computer. So I'll restart the computer and come back. Now this computer is successfully boot in safe mode. As you can see, what is safe mode? You can go ahead and close this window from the top right corner, and you can see a blank screen right here. Now what we need to do is we need to again go into the appwiz.cpl to check for the latest update. So I'm opening appwiz.cpl from here, and as you can see, we have the program and feature window open. From top left corner, we will click on view installed updates. Now all the updates will be populated in a moment. As you can see the list of the updates, let's move down and select the latest update, and you can see that it's on today's date, that is of 12th of April 2019. Now as you can see the update, what we need to do is we can go ahead and uninstall this update. How we can do that? We just need to go ahead and right click on it, and we need to click on uninstall. Once we click on uninstall, it will ask our permission to whether to click on yes or no. So let's go ahead and click on yes, and it will start uninstalling the program from our computer. So by doing that, it will uninstall the latest update, and that will resolve our problem. Once it's asked you to restart the computer, what you need to do is you need to open the msconfig again and uncheck safe boot. And once it's done, you just need to restart the computer, and it will be restart in the normal mode, and you can start using your computer without any problem. And after that, you just need to disable the updates for next 30 days. If you don't know how to do that, I'll leave a link on the top right corner. You can see that just now. You can check that video. And if you have any other problem regarding this update, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer them, and you can go ahead and use your computer safely. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.